Yes, my brother. Today, I'm gonna make it a quick one. Because I'm a bit cold. Just a tiny bit chilly. And I have a topic planned so that I don't ramble for too long. This is based on a conversation I had with a dear friend of mine just a couple months ago. We were driving back and we started getting into the topic of weed. Because he still smokes, and I was trying to convince him that it wasn't a good thing to do, and that he should stop, especially because he's got some responsibilities coming up. He needs to be able to perform. And I heard a bit of cope from him, I'm not gonna lie, which disappointed me because I had a lot of respect for him before. He started saying something along the lines of everyone has their vices, and at least it's not alcohol, it's better than alcohol, right? Weed makes him chill, weed makes him a better person. My goodness, cope, absolute cope. When are you gonna realize, and I'm talking to you as well, when are you gonna realize that your excuses are a weakness? When are you gonna realize that all of your endeavors are going to go so much smoother once you destroy your vices? No, it's not true that everyone has their vices. Most people have their vices, but that doesn't mean that everyone does. Thing is, most people are weak and unsuccessful, so why the hell would you want to compare yourself to most people? It is possible to exist without vices. Trust me, my brother. I'm not saying this as someone who's completely destroyed every single one of my addictions, because, every now and then I do give in to my food, like sugar cravings. About once a week or so, I do eat a bit of crap. And I can't lie, the caffeine is pumping through my veins right now. But anyway, I used to be so much worse. So trust me, brother, I know how it feels to try to go about chasing your goals, trying to become successful, with all of these blocks holding you back. Just last year, I was smoking weed, I was still, watching porn, I was still stuffing my face with garbage, still consuming a whole bunch of mindless entertainment. And I wondered to myself, why am I not seeing success? Why am I not progressing towards my goals? Shocker, right? But trust me, my brother, I know how hard it is to break all of these addictions, but it is possible. You can do it, and you have to do it this year. You must break free. You're a slave. You must free yourself in order to reach the goals that you're chasing. Anyway, my balls are shriveling. My skin is blistering. I think it's time to get out.